Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Vidnoz AI in order to create professional videos quickly and efficiently. So if you don't know, let me brief it for you. Vidnoz AI is a powerful online platform that uses artificial intelligence or AI to help you create videos for your business, for marketing, education, or personal projects. So you don't need any editing experience in order to use this tool, and by the end of this video you will understand exactly how to create videos using images, text, or even product links. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to come on www.vidnoz.com, or you can even just click on the link that is given in the description. It will be a discount link, and if you use that link, you will be landed on this page with certain discounts. Now, once you are over here, you need to first of all create your account. So in order to create your account, instead of this profile icon, you will see simple login option. Tap on that, provide your email address and create a strong password for your account, and you are done with the login process. Now, once you are on this page, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and you will be landed in your dashboard. So as you can see, the dashboard looks very professional, and we will go through all of the options of this dashboard one by one. So first of all, we have the workplace where you will see all of the settings relating to your account. Then we have the home page where you will see all of the features provided by Vidnoz AI, and here you will see four main elements and four main features of Vidnoz. Here you will see all of the templates which you can just get with the help of the tabs that are given over here. And after that we have the avatar section. So here if you scroll down a bit, you will see the AI avatar, the animated avatar, and so on. So this is the creative homepage of Vidnoz AI. If we go to the next section, we have my creations. So as the name suggests, all of your editing drafts will be in this section. So previously I was testing two videos, and now these are in my draft and in my creation section. So from here you can basically either just open the project from here, or if you want to just select or deselect the project, you can do that as well. Here you can create a folder, you can add your files into that folder, and then you can just use that folder, and this is basically my creation section is going to do for you. Next we have the templates section. So once you click on the templates section, you will see a bunch of different templates, or in if I would say, there are hundreds and hundreds of different types of templates that you can basically use here. And in the top they have also given you a tab according to your own profession. For example, if you want to get explainer type of template, so you can tap on explainer and it will show you all of the templates relating to the category that you have selected. Then we have social media, how to, and bunch of different tabs that you can explore and use as per your needs. In the top we have the landscape, portrait, and template options. So landscape, as the name suggests, if you want the video to be in the ratio of 16:9, you can select landscape. If you want it to 9:16, you can select portrait. And if you want to add any of the portrait in your my template section, you need to just star it over here, and then once you click on the my templates, it will come on this section. Now in my templates you can even create your own template. So you need to simply select the type of layout, and after that it will redirect you in your editing tab, and from here you can basically create your own type of template. Now if we go back and if we proceed to the next section, we have avatar. So here you can either create your own avatar, or you can just use their 1600 plus avatar provided. So these are Avatar Pro, and you can choose any of these and you can work with any of these. So here you can filter them out with the help of gender, age, attire, and in the recommendation you will see the sorting options, and in the filter you will see a bunch of other options as well, like regional affiliation, posture, hairstyle as well. So you can just filter them out as per your convenience. You can just add them by clicking on the star option and it will come in your favorite section. Now if you go back on the home page, you will see the clone voices option is already here. So we will just go into the step later. After that, in the my files, again you will see all of the files that you are working with, plus you will see a bunch of other features of Vidnoz AI, like AI image generator and video editor and photo editor. In the bottom of it, you will see bunch of other features as well, like you can remove watermark and you can even export the video in 1080p quality. But the thing is that all of these things are premium, and with the premium you are going to get these, but I guess free version is also enough for you. Now if you go back on the home page, you will see these four sections on the top. So the first option is create a video. So as the name suggests, with the help of it you can basically start creating your project. So first you can select the type of layout you want, or you can just use AI video wizard, and you can even import your own PowerPoint template. You can even use any of the given templates over here to work with, or you can even just open your own blank page. So let's say I clicked on create a video, and this is the editing dashboard. Now you might be overwhelmed by seeing these type of options, but you don't need to, because these are really very simple. You just have to simply tap on that, and according to your own creativity you will be able to edit the video. So here, if you go to the avatar section, you can basically change your avatar text. As the name suggests, you can add subtitles, and you can even change the paragraph texts. With the shape, you will see a bunch of different shapes. With the background, you can change the background of this particular section. After that, you will have stickers option. So all of these things are quite very simple. You just have to simply explore them a little bit, and you are good to go. You can even add your images into it, and you can see bunch of different free images from Unsplash is given here. Free pick is also available here, so you just have to type the name of the image and it will come, and then you can just add it in your section. Now we have speech text, so you can type your speech and then select which avatar or which character you want for your speech, and then you can just simply use that audio in your project. Afterwards, we have subtitles options. So you are going to get one-click subtitles, and you can just start creating your content. So I would recommend, and I would highly recommend you to go through this step a little bit, because the creativity level depends from person to person. So you can just come over here. Now we have the second option of AI video wizard. So this is the tool that is designed to guide you through the video making process step by step. So once you click on it, it will show you that you can create videos using AI almost instantly. For that, you can use the prompt in the form of writing, and you can even add any script if you have, and you can add any file. So here in the writing topic, you can give it a prompt, select the type of scenes that you want, and select the format, and after that you can choose the tone as well. So after giving all of these things, you need to simply press next, wait for some time, and it will show you the output. Next, we have the option of clone a voice. So as it is suggesting, you can basically clone your voice with the help of this feature. For that, you will have to simply either record your voice for 1 to 3 minutes, or you can even upload your audio files by clicking on this upload option. Now it will take some time to actually create a professional clone for you, so you will have to simply wait for that, and then you can just take a look at the output that you are going to receive. Next, we have the option of translate a video. So this is also a very good option that I have found on Vidnoz. So here you can basically upload any of the videos. For example, if you have a video in English language, you can just convert its language to any other languages. You have a bunch of different languages options. So let's say I want to change it to German, so you need to select that. You can even use these given features, like you can enable subtitles, you can use lip syncing, etc. So you can disable or enable these options as per your preferences. Once you are done, simply click on the translate now option, and your video will be translated. So this option, and with the free plan, is completely insane. So in conclusion, I would like to say that Vidnoz AI offers a wide range of powerful tools to actually simplify your video creation, and you don't need to be a professional video editor for a lot of purposes. So you can use it for your education, for anything. So I highly encourage you to explore these features more and start using Vidnoz AI to bring your ideas to life. If you want to get some discounts on Vidnoz AI, you can just use the given link in the description. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.